There was a time when cars weren't just transportation, they were a statement of power, elegance, and pure American luxury. And nothing represents that era better than the 1962 Cadillac Fleetwood. Finished in a smooth sand color exterior with a perfectly matching sand interior, this car doesn't just look classic, it feels like stepping into a golden age of automotive design. Built by Cadillac, the Fleetwood was the definition of prestige, crafted for those who demanded presence on the road. Today, we're taking a deep dive into this timeless machine, exploring its iconic design, luxurious interior, smooth performance, and what makes it still so special decades later. Exterior. The first thing that hits you about the 1962 Cadillac Fleetwood is its sheer presence. This isn't a small car, it's long, wide, and built to dominate the road. The sand color gives it a soft, elegant appearance, making it look both classy and unique compared to the more common bold colors of that era. At the front, you're greeted with a massive chrome grille that instantly tells you this is a Cadillac. The dual stacked headlights on each side add a bold and futuristic look for its time. Chrome detailing is everywhere, from the bumper to the trim, reflecting sunlight beautifully and giving the car a premium shine. Move along the side, and you'll notice the long, straight body lines that define classic American luxury. The car seems to stretch endlessly, giving passengers incredible space inside. The subtle tail fins at the rear are still present, though more refined compared to earlier Cadillac models. They add just the right amount of drama without being too exaggerated. The white wall tires complete the vintage look perfectly, adding elegance and authenticity. Every angle of this car speaks of craftsmanship and attention to detail, something rarely seen in modern designs. At the back, the vertical tail lights integrated into the fins create a signature Cadillac look. The rear bumper is heavy and chrome finished, reinforcing the car's bold and luxurious identity. Overall, the exterior is not just beautiful, it's iconic. Interior. Step inside, and you're transported into a world of comfort and sophistication. The sand-colored interior perfectly complements the exterior, creating a seamless and elegant theme throughout the car. The seats are wide, soft, and incredibly comfortable, almost like sitting on a living room sofa. This was an era when comfort was a priority, and Cadillac delivered it at the highest level. Whether you're in the front or the back, there's an incredible amount of space to stretch out and relax. The dashboard is a piece of art. Finished with chrome accents and classic gauges, it blends functionality with vintage beauty. The steering wheel is large and thin, giving you that authentic old-school driving feel. Every control, from the radio to the climate system, is designed with a tactile, mechanical charm that modern cars simply can't replicate. The attention to detail inside the cabin is remarkable. From the stitching on the seats to the polished metal finishes, everything feels handcrafted. The sand color adds warmth and sophistication, making the interior feel inviting and timeless. Rear passengers enjoy limousine-like comfort, with plenty of legroom and a smooth ride that makes long journeys effortless. This isn't just a car interior, it's an experience. Performance. Now, while the 1962 Cadillac Fleetwood is all about luxury, it doesn't lack power. Under the hood, you'll find a massive V8 engine, typical of American cars from that era. It produces strong, smooth power that moves this large vehicle with surprising ease. Acceleration isn't aggressive like modern sports cars, but it's confident and steady. The focus here is not speed, it's smoothness. You glide down the road rather than race through it. The ride quality is one of the biggest highlights. Thanks to its soft suspension setup, the Fleetwood absorbs bumps effortlessly, making even rough roads feel comfortable. It's like driving on a cushion, calm, quiet, and incredibly relaxing. The steering is light, though not as precise as modern vehicles. But that's part of the charm. Driving this car is more about the experience than sharp handling. It encourages you to slow down, enjoy the journey, and appreciate the craftsmanship. In short, the performance of the Fleetwood is all about comfort, smooth cruising, and effortless power, exactly what a luxury car should deliver. Price. Back in 1962, the Cadillac Fleetwood was considered a premium vehicle, priced higher than most cars on the market. It was a symbol of success and status. Today, the value of a 1962 Fleetwood depends heavily on its condition. A well-maintained or fully restored model can range anywhere from $25,000 to over $70,000. Rare editions or perfectly preserved examples can go even higher among collectors. While it may not have modern technology or electric performance, what you're paying for here is history, design, and timeless luxury, something that never goes out of style. The 1962 Cadillac Fleetwood in sand color with a matching interior is more than just a car, it's a piece of art on wheels. It represents an era when luxury meant space, comfort, and bold design, rather than screens and software. Driving it today isn't just about getting from one place to another, it's about experiencing a different time, a different philosophy of automotive design. If you love classic cars, this is one that truly stands out. Elegant, powerful, and unforgettable. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you choose a classic legend like this, or stick with modern technology? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.